This is the GoPro Hero 9 Black, and it is a beast. I rushed through extreme traffic to get to the coast just before the sunset, and I got there just in time. Naturally started filming the moment I got off my bike, and as you can see, stabilization is pretty good. This is EIS, not optical, so it's going to deteriorate as the light goes down, but I was still pretty happy with it. Definitely got a ton of stares from people because here you don't see a GoPro every day. 4K 60 FPS is what you're watching, buttery smooth 4K video. It's pleasing to the eye. Now, one thing I will point out, this thing has no low light mode, so I think it's best to use this when the light is good. It begins to get a bit grainy as light goes down, but that's okay. I mean, this is still an incredible camera. The boats looked amazing, and so did the water, and oh, the sky. The orange hues looked amazing on this 4K video. For this clip, I used the camera's wide angle mode. This is super view, or the widest mode this camera has. The field of view is incredible and it really feels GoPro. People are staring at me. I must look really funny walking around with this thing. Detail is great, and considering this is GoPro's 2020 flagship camera, I am not surprised. I mean, cyclists, mountain bikers, the most extreme riders use this thing, and I can understand why. In fact, what do you think? Do you think this camera has better 4K video than my Vivo X70 Pro? I might think so as well. So I decided to bring out the vlogger in me and try walking around with this thing facing me. Now I must mention, this thing has a front display, so you can literally see yourself vlogging. It's not the best display obviously because it's so small, but it's definitely super convenient because you can vlog with this thing with no problem. And of course, yes, I had to wear sunglasses because, you know, some girls might be watching this video. There is a lot to look at on this camera, including slow-mo, time-lapse, and more. Though slow-mo is limited to 1080p video and not 4K, which is kind of disappointing, and it reminds me of the fact that even flagship smartphones are stuck at 1080p slow motion video. Finally, it was time to head back because light was going down and I had a lot of traffic to circumvent. So the bike's over there. We're gonna head back home. Came all the way here just to catch the sunset. And this camera's audio is actually quite good. Thanks for watching. Is the GoPro Hero 9 Black waterproof?
According to GoPro, Hero 10 Black and Hero 9 Black are rugged and waterproof right out of the box, but this housing handles anything you can throw at it.
Alright, so quick change. This is the Hero 9 Black from GoPro, and I wanted to ask you, do you want video samples from this camera as well, or do you just want to continue what we've been doing so far? Let me know in the comment section below and I will see what I can do. Thanks for watching. As always, aiming for 1,000 subs. See you next time.